Ever wondered how big our universe really is? If you thought it's just stars, planets, and a couple of black holes here and there, think bigger, like a lot bigger. Galaxies are the true heavyweights of the cosmic landscape, each one a massive collection of stars, planets, gas, dust, and probably some stuff we haven't even named yet. And they come in all shapes and sizes, kind of like those mystery boxes you can buy online. Welcome to the wild world of galaxies. Today, we're diving into the big questions. What exactly is a galaxy? Why do they matter? And the real question, what's out there? Get ready to take a cosmic ride through some of the coolest, weirdest, and most mind-boggling neighborhoods in the universe. So, let's start with the basics. A galaxy is basically a massive city in space, except instead of high-rises and coffee shops, you've got stars, planets, dust, dark matter. Don't worry, we'll get to that, and maybe the occasional black hole lounging around. Think of each galaxy as a massive social network, where stars hang out and maybe even exchange a few gravitational waves from time to time. There are billions of galaxies out there, and each one has its own personality. Some are calm and quiet, others are busy and chaotic, and a few are just plain weird. And here's a cool fact, everything you know, from our sun to Earth, all exists inside a galaxy we call the Milky Way. Yep, we're all just part of one big galactic family. Galaxies come in different shapes and sizes, kind of like snowflakes, but way more intense. Here's a quick rundown of the main types. Spiral galaxies. These are the supermodels of the galaxy world. They're sleek, symmetrical, and look like they came out of a cosmic photo shoot. Our very own Milky Way is a spiral galaxy, with arms spiraling outward like a cosmic pinwheel. These galaxies are great at making stars, so they're often full of young, hot stars ready to light up the universe. Elliptical galaxies. Imagine a big, round ball of stars. That's an elliptical galaxy for you. They're the chill galaxies, often filled with older stars. While they may not have the fancy spiral arms, they have their own charm. And some of these can get massive, stretching across millions of light years. Irregular galaxies. Irregular galaxies are the rebels. They don't have a set shape, and they're usually the result of two galaxies that had a bit too close of an encounter. Think of them like abstract art in space, with stars and dust spread out in ways that don't follow any typical structure. Lenticular galaxies. These galaxies are somewhere between spirals and ellipticals. They've got the shape of a spiral but lack the arms, making them look like a smooth disk. They're like the neutral cousin in the galaxy family, not too flashy, but holding their own. Galaxies weren't always around. They had to form, and it all started with the Big Bang. Imagine the universe as a giant balloon that started expanding, creating space for gas and dust to clump together. Over millions of years, these clumps became stars, and stars came together to form galaxies. And then there's dark matter. While we can't actually see it, it's called dark for a reason. We know it's there, holding everything together like invisible glue. Dark matter acts like a cosmic foundation, giving galaxies the structure they need to grow and thrive. Without dark matter, galaxies would just drift apart, and we wouldn't have the stable galactic neighborhoods we see today. Let's talk about the Milky Way, our home galaxy. We live on one of its spiral arms, about 2/3 of the way out from the center. If our galaxy was a city, we'd be living in the suburbs. The Milky Way is a bustling place, with over 100 billion stars and a supermassive black hole right in the middle. Talk about having an interesting downtown area. Then there's the Andromeda Galaxy, our nearest galactic neighbor. It's another spiral galaxy, and it's heading right toward us. Don't worry, though, it won't get here for another 4.5 billion years, so you've got time to prepare for the ultimate galactic meet and greet. Other famous galaxies include the Whirlpool Galaxy, known for its perfect spiral structure, and the Sombrero Galaxy, which, as you guessed, looks like a giant sombrero. Each of these galaxies tells us something different about the universe, from star formation to galactic evolution. Now, what happens when two galaxies meet? You might think there'd be a dramatic smash-up, but in reality, Galactic collisions are more like a slow, cosmic dance. When do galaxies collide? Their stars mostly pass by each other because there is so much space between them. However, the gas and dust get all mixed up, leading to a frenzy of new star formation. The future collision of the Milky Way and Andromeda is expected to create a whole new galaxy. Scientists even have a name picked out, Milkomeda. Yep, they combined the names. If galaxies were cakes, dark matter would be the flour holding everything together, and black holes would be the dense, rich filling that adds depth. Dark matter is a type of invisible material that makes up about 85% of the matter in the universe. We don't know what it is, but we know it's crucial to the structure of galaxies. Black holes, on the other hand, are the ultimate cosmic powerhouses. Nearly every large galaxy has a supermassive black hole at its center, which influences the galaxy's formation and growth. In the Milky Way, we have one called Sagittarius A*, which has the mass of about 4 million suns. Understanding galaxies helps us understand the universe. Each galaxy is like a chapter in the story of the cosmos, showing us how stars are born, live, and eventually die. From the formation of black holes to the role of dark matter, galaxies hold the secrets to the universe's past, present, and future. Plus, who doesn't love a good cosmic mystery? Galaxies are just the beginning, and there is so much more to learn.